What's the meaning of canary? Canary. Canary.
Canary. Canary. The term canary has multiple meanings depending on the context. In the literal sense, a canary is a small, brightly colored bird that was often used in coal mines to detect harmful gases. If the bird stopped singing or died, it was an indication of dangerous levels of gases like carbon monoxide. In a figurative sense, the term canary can refer to a warning sign or something that serves as an early indicator of potential danger or problems. In this way, the term is often used in business and technology to describe early warning systems or tests that help detect potential issues before they become serious problems.